My name's Amy from Vanlux, and today I'm going to be walking you around our 2024 Ford Tourneo Custom. Just under 35,000 miles, automatic transmission and diesel fuel type. As we step inside, we can see that we have 9 seats, all of which are full cloth. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control and voice control, and on the right we have hands-free cooling. Moving on to our screen, we can access Apple and Android CarPlay, navigation, owner's manual, driver assistance, and our 5 different driving modes. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a rear parking camera with front and rear parking sensors. Towards the bottom of the screen, we have our AC with heated seats on either side. If you would like any more information about the vehicle, or you'd like to book in for a test drive, please feel free to call us on 0118 971 1799.